Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through an intense 5-minute ab workout that you can literally do as soon as you get out of bed. As you can see, came from my bed right to my ab mat. So let's do this. My abs are lit right now. Oh man, that will wake you up in the morning. It's just a quick 5-minute ab burner. That's all it takes just to feel good, start your day on the right note. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as I'm trying to post content for you guys as much as I can. And please comment down below which workout I should cover next. And I'll see you guys in the next video.